Hello class, welcome back to the online classes of St. Thomas High School, Mahua. Today, I, Richa Parekh, am here to further continue with the subject of English for the students of class 5th. My dear students, today we are going to start a new chapter, that is unit number 6, our national flag. You might have seen our national flag. Our national flag is a tricolor. It represents three bands in it. The first one is saffron at the top, the second one is white in the middle with an Ashok Chakra, and green at the bottom. So, here let's start with activity number 1. Imagine your school had a flag. How would it look like? Draw it in the box given below. So, my dear students, during the sports year which was conducted last year, you might have seen there was a flag hoisting ceremony in which a school flag was hoisted at the function. So, you can draw a school flag in the box in the textbook itself. No need to draw that in Fairbook. Let's see activity number 2. Read the conversation. And we have to read the conversation and elaborate it. Grandpa said, "What are you doing, Sujal and Alpa?" Sujal said, "We are coloring our national flag. Our art teacher has given us homework to color our national flag." Alpa said, "Grandpa, the best colored picture will be displayed on the soft board, and whoever does it well will be bestowed the prize for it on the Independence Day." So, here there is a conversation, there is a talk going on between Grandpa, Sujal, and Alpa. So, Grandpa asked Sujal and Alpa that what they were doing. And Sujal informed Grandpa that they were coloring the national flag as their art teacher, that means the drawing teacher, has given them the homework to color the national flag. Alpa gave Grandpa further information that we are drawing the flag, and the best colored picture, that means the one who has done the best picture, those picture will be displayed on the soft board, that means a kind of notice board, and whoever does it well will be bestowed the prize for it on the Independence Day. That means will be given something as an honor or as a gift to the one who has drawn the best on the Independence Day. Sujal said, "Look, Grandpa, have I done it?" So Sujal is asking his grandpa after coloring the picture that, "See, Grandpa, have I done it?" Grandpa said, "Well done." "Well, do you know the history of our national flag?" So Grandpa is further asking when Sujal completed his drawing that, "Do you know the history of our national flag?" Sujal said, "No, please tell us something about the national flag." So here Sujal is asking for more information about the national flag from Grandpa. Grandpa said, "The national flag of India has three equal horizontal bands. The top panel is the saffron, the bottom panel is green, and white in the middle band is at the center. It has Ashok Chakra in navy blue color. It was adopted by the Constituent Assembly on 22nd July 1947 when it became the official flag of India." So here Grandpa is providing them the information that the national flag has three horizontal bands, and the color of those three panels are: the top panel is saffron, the bottom panel is green, and the middle one is white with an Ashok Chakra in navy blue color. And also the information that when it was adopted as a official flag of India is given. Alpa said, "Grandpa, who designed our national flag?" That means who gave the design of our national flag. Sujal said, "I think it was created by Pingali Venekya." Grandpa said, "Yes, it is right." So here Grandpa gave the information about the national flag, and who designed the national flag was asked by Alpa. So Sujal tried to give answer, and he gave a right answer. So my dear students, here we are at the end of this video. The new word, the keyword which is given in this activity is what you need to write in your fair book. and in the next class we will be continuing activity number 3. So till then, stay at your home and stay safe. Thank you.